I'm going to show you a demonstration upon a software that is useful for advocates and legal firms. As you can see on your screen, here is a shortcut created for the software as Advocate Software. I'm currently logging in as an administrator. I've entered the password, then clicking on OK. This is the screen that is your login screen. We have 4 different modules for the software, and the software is named as Vertex ERP software for advocate and legal firms. First, we have client and case management. In this, we have 2 heads: client and case entry, search case details. First, we have client entry. From here, you can make a new entry about the clients, and you can also enter details and post an entry about your existing clients. Likewise, here I'm adding a new entry. You have to enter the case number, name of court. Date of filing will be automatically the date you are currently logging in as. Then you can enter the nature of case. You have to enter the party name. Here I'm entering Shah versus Sood. You can enter your client name. Now here the client can be the person, one of the person from the 2 parties of the case, or it can be a third person. Enter the address, contact number. The number I'm entering here is the number for Research IT, the software company. If anybody wants to contact after seeing this video, can contact on this number. If you want, you can also enter email ID, but that's completely optional. Click on update. The data you saved will be updated. Now from here you can enter case details. I'm selecting Shah vs Sood case. By clicking on enter, all the details you already entered will appear on your screen. Entry date will be the date, current date. You can enter the case details or the case details you want to. Here I'm entering documents record. Then you can select the next date on which you want the documents. You can add your purpose for listing. My purpose for listing here is for verification. By clicking on enter, the case details will enter below. Click on update. Your entry will be saved. Also, we have a find button here. From here, you can find all your details about all your clients. This is the search box. Here we have different modes from which you can search your client details. Here I am selecting name of court, entering High Court. Click on search. All the clients of the High Court are appearing. If you want, you can select all your clients and print their case details. Or if you want, you can select a single client and see his case details. Also, we have a feature, SMS feature in this panel. If you want, you can send SMS to all your clients if the message details are same, or if you want, you can separately send messages to your clients. You can reset it from here, exit from here, reset this from here also, then exiting it. That's it. We again have search record. If you want, you can make a search from the first client and case entry only, and if you want to search it separately rather than entering all the details, then you can make a search from here. Here I searched by party name, then I'm searching again from date of filing. If you can see, the date of filing is today, and today I entered Shah versus Sood case. Current property also, Shah versus Sood is appearing. Then you can exit it from here. Then we have cash counter. We have three different heads in cash counter. First is the charges entry. Let's check what's in charges entry. Here you can enter all the charges, different charges from your different clients. If you want to add, click on add a date. The date will be the current date by entering the party name from here, or you can select it from the box, entering the client name here. I selected Shah versus Sood. Enter the fee amount you want to charge from the party. Write the narration. As here I am entering case fees. Click on save. Click on yes. Your fee amount will be entered. Now if you want, you can also deselect the date option, and all your clients with different fees will appear. And if you want, you can select the date option too and select a particular date on which you can see different clients with different amounts. If you want, you can modify the client details also. Likewise, here I selected Shah versus Sood. Click on modify. I want to change the amount. Earlier I entered 60,000. Now I want to charge 65,000 for the case. Click on save. Your data will be modified. Now if I deselect the date option, as here you can see, my amount from the client has been changed to 65,000. You can also print vouchers for the client fee you want to charge. If you want to provide them with the voucher, select the client, click on print voucher, the voucher will generate. You can exit the portal from here. Then we have received entry. Here you can do the entries of the received amount. If you deselect the option, all the entries done within the session of the received amount will be shown. I clicked on add. Entry date will be the current date. Select the client name from here. A voucher number will automatically be generated. Enter the amount. That can be the full amount or the half or any amount that the client is providing us. Then click on save. Click on yes. Your data will be saved. Also, if you want, you can print voucher for the same. Select the date option. Here the received amount entry is showing. I selected Shah versus Sood and clicked on print voucher. The voucher has been generated. Also, if you want to delete any of the entry, select the entry, click on delete option, then again click on yes. The entry will be deleted. Now when I deselect the option, the entry I deleted is not appearing in the list. Then we have client ledger. From here you can keep a track of a particular client, when the amount has been received from them and how much balance is remaining, or other details you want to. Here I entered client name to be Sood. Party name as Shah versus Sood, and then click on show. Here the ledger details are appearing. The balance that we have to charge is showing. The remaining balance and the balance received is shown. This is it for the cash counter. Then we have expense management. We have three heads under expense management. And expense management helps the advocate and the legal firms to manage their own expenses. The first head is create account heads. Then we have expense register and other ledgers. Let's see what in create account heads. From here you can create different account heads that you are operating in your firm, and click on add. If you want to add, click on add, enter the account name you want to add. Here I'm entering miscellaneous, then click on save. Select yes. Your account will be added. As you can see on your screen, miscellaneous account has been added. Similarly, if you want to modify, select the account you want to modify. Here I want to modify electricity. Then click on modify. Do the modifications that are required by you. Then click on save. You can exit it from here. Then we have payment entry. From here you can keep a track of all the payments you have made. If you deselect the option, all the payments done during the session will appear on your screen. If you want to add any payment, you can click on add. Entry date will automatically be the current date. You can select the account, from account, and you can select the to account. Then you can enter the narration here on behalf of what payments have been made. Here I'm entering breakfast and tea. Then you have to enter the amount. I'm entering here rupees 400. You have to select the payment mode. Here I didn't select any mode, I kept it cash only. Then you have to click on save. Then if you deselect the option, here you can see the details are appearing about the entry. If you want, you can print the voucher. Select entry, click on print voucher. Also, if you want, you can delete any entry. Likewise, here I want to delete another entry appearing on the screen. Select entry, click on delete, the entry will be deleted. Then we have other ledgers. From here you can keep a track of the ledgers of the account that you maintain. You can select the date as in you can see it daily, weekly or monthly. Here is selected account name to be cash account. As you can see on your screen, 50,000 amount was debited to the cash account and opening balance was 5,40,000. Therefore, the balance is showing 5,90,000 during the end. That's it for the expense account. Then we have administration panel. We have two heads, change password and user management. Let's check what's change password. From here, the administrator can change his password, the password that we entered on the login screen. Then we have user management. If the administrator wants, he can vest in the powers to different people to operate the software, or if he wants, he can keep all rights reserved to him only. If he wants to add a new user, he can click on the add new user, enter the user ID. Here I'm entering my name, Harshita. Assign him my password. Give him the user right you want to. Likewise, here I'm giving myself only payment expense entry. Then click on save. The user will be created. As you can see in the list of users, my name is appearing. Now if you want to change rights, likewise I selected NK. Select the person you want to change rights. Click on change rights. From the existing rights, change the modifications and then click on save. And if you want to reset the password, select the user of which you want to reset the password. I selected myself only. I changed my password and click on save. The password will be modified. If you want to delete any user, select the user, click on delete user. The user will be deleted. That's all we have for the advocate and legal firm software. You can exit the software from here. Now if you want to log in as a user, you can do it by clicking on the software, entering your user ID. I'm logging in as Harshita. Enter the password that was created. Click on OK. Now, as you can see, here is the software screen appearing. We have client and case management, cash counter, expense management, admin panel, etc. Exit it from here.